This is my 1956 Ford Victoria.
Built this 82 Firebird into a sort of a poor man's Ferrari.
Hi, my name is Terry. This is my 1956 Ford Victoria. I purchased it in San Diego in 1970. I've had it since then. The first time I redone it was in 72. And I done it in lacquer. About 5-6 years ago, I redone it in base coat, clear coat. It's kind of a unique car. Number one, it's got the original green glass that they put in California cars. You do not see that anymore. It's got a 292 Ford Y-block in it. It's got 456,000 miles on it. It was overhauled once and rebuilt once. It's bored out to 40,000. It has been balanced. It's got a cam on it. It's got 3 Stromberg carburetors on it. The linkage is all homemade. The stainless steel lines are homemade. The dual master cylinder is adapted off the 1974 Econoline van. The air filter is homemade. The tie down for the battery is homemade. It also has air conditioning in it, but I've done that so actually people don't notice it. It has one belt. It's adapted to an alternator. The compressor is down under the alternator. The brackets have been homemade. There is a balance I made in front of the condenser so no one sees it. People who put air conditioning in these older vehicles, they eliminate the heater. I wanted it to look as original as it could. It still has the original heater in it, which works. And all the lines for the air conditioning is down underneath the heater. If he wants to go inside, I will show you the balance for the air, which is homemade. The balance under the dash, that is homemade. And then the air conditioner components is hand assembled underneath that. Everything is homemade. The controls I adapted. It's got the original controls in it that uses the air conditioner plus the original heater. The inside has got the moldings have all been chromed. The headliner is original. The seats were done in 72. They are still from 72. Now 5 years ago I did replace the carpeting in it. The speaker covers, the deck speaker covers, they're homemade, they're stainless steel. The trunk has been finished. It has a Coleman cooler in it from the 50s, which is metal. That's classic with the car. Something that most people don't even know what it is. 56 fair lanes only. They've got the exhaust coming out the bumper.
Oh, Terry, you want to know, man? You're looking sweet.
Gonna be a television, man.
How are you, man? Looks good.
Hey, I woke up today. It's a good day.
Absolutely.
Live from USClassicMuscleCars.
Please subscribe to our channel. You're gonna love it.